Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 3 fall Dollar Tree DIYs that are perfect for the Thanksgiving season. So let's jump right in. This fall DIY is a red truck coming back from the pumpkin patch. For this DIY, I'm using a wood truck from Dollar Tree, and I had used this truck for a DIY in the spring, so I'm going to paint over all the blue with this red acrylic paint. I'm leaving the wheels and the box of the truck the same colors I had them before. To make the box of the truck, I'm using 18 of these tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm painting them brown. I'm now arranging them all to form the box of the truck, then hot gluing them together. For the bottom of the box, I'm cutting out a piece of cardboard and painting it brown. Then I'm going to hot glue it to the bottom of the box. Now it's time to attach the box to the truck with some hot glue. I want to make this truck more sturdy, so I'm hot gluing 2 tumbling tower blocks onto the truck behind the wheels. These blocks are from Dollarama, and they're much bigger than the Dollar Tree ones. To make the truck stand up on its own, I'm taking one of the smaller tumbling tower blocks and gluing it on top of one of the larger ones to form a T. Then I'm gluing that to the bottom of the box. I have this Farm Fresh calendar from Dollar Tree, and I cut out this thankful and blessed picture with the pumpkins from the back of the calendar. I'm sticking this onto the door of the truck with a glue stick. I have these little pumpkins that I previously painted red to turn them into apples, and now I'm turning them back into pumpkins for this DIY with this spiced pumpkin acrylic paint from Decor. This cute little fall pick is from Dollar Tree, and I'm using the pumpkin for the back of my truck. I painted it with the same orange paint, and I also painted the stem brown. I'm now placing my little pumpkins in the truck, including the 2 I painted and this cream-colored one from Dollar Tree that came like this. And here is my fall truck complete. Today's video is part of the Pumpkin Palooza collab. I partnered up with 9 other crafters here on YouTube, and we are bringing you lots of pumpkin-inspired DIYs. Click the link in the description box to go to the playlist and check out all their videos. This DIY is a fall centerpiece perfect for Thanksgiving. I have this box from Dollarama. It had 3 drawers in it, and I took those out. I'm taking this brown acrylic paint and mixing it with water to make a stain, then covering the wood box with it. I have these 2 gourds from Dollar Tree along with these 3 little pumpkins, and I'm painting all of them with this white chalk paint from Decor. This took many coats to cover the gourds since they were so orange, but I love how they turned out. I have this beautiful metallic paint in the color Champagne Gold from Decor, and I'm painting all the gourd and pumpkin stems with it. Now I'm making the vinyl letters to go on my centerpiece. I'm writing out the words Harvest Blessings with one of my favorite fonts from defont.com, Hello Honey. I'm also inserting a couple of leaf SVGs. Select everything and attach it together. I cut out the words and leaves separately because I was using up smaller pieces of vinyl that I had on hand. And now I'm sticking my vinyl decals onto the box. I weeded out the leaves as stencils, and I'm using acrylic paint to fill them in. When I was weeding out Harvest, a couple of the lines got broken, but instead of recutting it, I'm taking a black pen and just filling in the missing lines. I'm reattaching the stems to the pumpkins and the gourds. I'm filling the box with Spanish moss, then adding in the gourds and pumpkins. I'm filling all the empty spaces with fun, colorful fall leaves. And here is our Thanksgiving fall centerpiece complete. This DIY is a pretty thankful sign. To start with, I'm creating the letters on CRICUT Design Space. First, I'm making a box the same size as my sign, and I'm adding a circle at the top where the pumpkin cutout is, so I know exactly how big to make my letters. I'm typing out the word thankful, and I want it to be vertical on the sign, so I'm pressing enter after every letter. I'm resizing the word to fit on the sign. Then I'm changing the alignment of the letters to the center. Then I'm ungrouping the word so each letter is separate. Then deleting the letter A. These leaves were free on CRICUT, and I'm inserting them into my project, then ungrouping them and deleting all the leaves except for one. This leaf is meant to be scored, and that's not what I want for this project. So I'm clicking on the I next to the word score on the right, and that removes the scoring element. I'm moving the leaf over to replace the A in the word thankful. I'm deleting the box and the circle, then selecting all the letters and the leaf and clicking on attach. You can see if I click on make it now, the word is way too long for a standard CRICUT mat. If you only have the 12 by 12 mat like I do, I'll show you what I do to fix this. I'm going back and clicking undo to unattach all the letters. Now I'm selecting the first part of the word thankful and attaching that, then selecting the last part of the word and attaching that section together. Now when I click make it, everything fits on one mat. Since I'll be using these letters as stencils, I don't want them this close together, so I'm separating the two sections a bit, then cutting it out with my CRICUT. I got this wooden sign with the pumpkin cutout at the top from Dollar Tree. I'm weeding out the letters and sticking them onto the sign. Even though the word is split into two parts, it's super easy to line them up on the sign. I'm using these 4 colors for my sign. I have this red paint from Dollar Tree, these 2 colors from Decor in the shades Raw Sienna and Spiced Pumpkin, and the shade Mustard Yellow from Craft Smart. I'm painting each letter, alternating with each of the colors. Now that I've painted all the letters, I'm peeling off the vinyl. For the last bit of detail on the sign, I'm taking this little fall pick from Dollar Tree and hot gluing it to the top of the sign. And here we have our finished thankful sign, perfect for Thanksgiving or any time in the fall season. I hope you enjoyed all of these fall Dollar Tree DIYs. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And don't forget to check out the playlist linked below for all of the fall DIY inspiration. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIY videos like this. And I'll see you next time.